Hey guys, what's up? This is Kai here. So today I'm going to just show you a very quick method on how to set a pre-order in Qoo10. But first, in order to set the pre-order, you have to request Qoo10 for it. So how do you go about doing that? First, okay, go to register for new listing. Okay, once you are inside, okay, you will go down to this pre-order. Okay, it shows you that if you want to have a pre-order, you can have two ways. Okay, first is either you request for a pre-order authority. If not, you can have a group buy. So for group buy, you will have to pay for the marketing fee. So let us try the other method, which is to request for pre-order authority. Okay, so click on here and it will lead you to the seller authority management, and then you can see that there's a lot of choices. So right now we are just wanting to set a pre-order. Okay, and then you will just type in hi. I would like to request for a I would like to enable the pre-order authority. Kindly assist. Okay. So we just click on apply. Okay. For in this case, because I have already applied previously, and that's why it showed me that I have already applied for it. So after you click this, go to search. You can see that mine has already requested during October, but since then they have not approved. So I'm going to write them an email to check out why is it that they have not approved. Okay. But meanwhile, for your case, you can go and do this method first and apply for the pre-order. So what's the difference between a pre-order and the normal listing? Pre-order means that you will needs a longer lead time. Okay, because it's a pre-order, so it will take some time for the goods to be delivered to the customer. Okay, so it's actually similar to a drop shipping method, right? It's good in a way that the customer will pay upfront. Okay, you will receive the payment, and then that means to say that you already confirmed that there's a ready order, so that you can place the order accordingly to your supplier, and then get the product shipped out to them, right? So this is how a drop shipping methods is all about. Okay, there are pros and cons. The downside is that this method will take a longer shipping time, which not a lot of local Singaporeans would prefer, unless it's very price competitive and the product is not it's not a product that people wants it urgently. That means people can wait for the product to be delivered. If the price is reasonable, it's cheaper than the local seller, what the local seller are selling, right? So that's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoy it, and share to your friends if they need to know how to set pre-order list. Okay, and help me to like this video if you find it useful, so that I can make more videos to help you all, as well to help myself, to understand what I'm doing. Right? Thank you very much. and see you soon. Goodbye.